This video lecture explains the process of command substitution in Unix shell scripting. Command substitution is the mechanism by which the shell executes a given set of commands and then substitute the output in the place of the commands. Command substitution can be achieved using two different types of syntax in shell scripting. Number one is using a backquote or backticks. Number two is using a dollar symbol along with a set of parentheses. Although these two different styles are interchangeable, the syntax using dollar with a set of parentheses is a style preferred by the users. The command substitution using a dollar style is POSIX accommodating form and therefore likely to work on more shells. The Portable Operating System Interface POSIX is an IEEE standard that helps compatibility and portability between operating systems. The command substitution using the dollar style is easy to read and identify in shell scripts. Nesting is also more convenient in dollar style. Now let us see the use of backquotes in command substitution. When the shell encounters a string consisting of Unix commands between backquotes, it executes the commands and replaces the backquoted string with the standard output of the commands. Now let us see the use of dollar style in command substitution. The syntax of command substitution using dollar syntax is dollar open parenthesis Unix commands close parenthesis. The commands inside the parenthesis are executed and the standard output of the commands is returned as the value at this place. Let us now see a demonstration of an execution of a shell script to understand the technique of command substitution. The shell script file marks is opened by giving a command vi marks at the dollar prompt. The complete shell scripts available in the file marks are displayed by the VI editor on the screen. We shall try to understand the workings of each shell script in the file marks. The first line of the shell script is a comment line. In Unix, the comment line starts with hash character. The second line of the shell script is an echo command. Echo enter 5 values. This echo command will display the text enter 5 values on the display device. The third line of the shell script is a read script. Read S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. This read script will read 5 values from the standard input device and these values will be assigned to the variables S1, S2, S3, S4 and S5 respectively. The fourth line of the shell script is also a comment line. The fifth line of the shell script is an assignment script. Total equal to backquote echo $S1 plus $S2 plus $S3 plus $S4 plus $S5 pipeline operator BC backquote. This assignment script is an example of the process of command substitution using backquotes. When the shell encounters a string consisting of Unix commands between backquotes, it executes the Unix commands and replaces the backquoted Unix commands with the standard output of the commands. The echo command outputs an expression S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5. This expression is passed on to the BC program as an input by the pipeline operator. The BC program evaluates the expression and the final resultant value replaces the backquoted string of Unix commands. The resultant value is given to the variable on the left hand side, namely to total. The sixth line of the shell script is a comment line again. The seventh line of the shell script is an assignment script. Average equal to dollar open parenthesis echo double quotes scale equal to 5 semicolon $total/5 double quotes pipeline operator BC close parenthesis. This assignment script is an example of the process of command substitution using a dollar with a set of parentheses style. The echo command generates two expressions as its output. Scale equal to 5, total/5. These two expressions are passed on to the BC program as input by the pipeline operator. The BC program executes the first expression, scale equal to 5. By this expression, the BC program increases the number of digits after the decimal point to 5. Then the BC program evaluates the expression total/5 and the final resultant value is replaced at the place of dollar and a set of parentheses. The final resultant value is given to the variable on the left hand side, namely to average. The 8th line of the shell script is an echo script. Echo, the inputted values are $S1, $S2, $S3, $S4, $S5. This echo script will output the text. The inputted values are as it is. Then in place of $S1, $S2, $S3, $S4, $S5, it will display the values of the variables S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 respectively. The 9th line of the shell script is an echo script. Echo, the total equal to $total. This echo script will output the text the total equal to as it is, and in place of $total it will display the value of total. The last line of the shell script is an echo command. Echo, the average equal to $average. This echo command will output the text the average equal to as it is, and in place of $average it will display the value of the variable average. Then we press escape:WQ in order to come out of the VI editor. VI editor returns the $prompt after saving the file marks. Now to run the shell scripts available in the file marks, we give a command sh marks at the $prompt. The scripts available in the file marks starts its execution one by one. The shell displays a text enter 5 values. At this place, the user has to enter 5 values. Suppose if the user enters 56, 78, 98, 76 and 54 as inputs, then the shell returns the output as the inputted values are 56, 78, 98, 76, 54. The total equal to 362. The average equal to 72.4. To summarize, command substitution is a process of replacing a set of commands by their outputs. There are two different syntax available for the command substitution. Number one is using backquotes or backticks. Number two is using a $ symbol along with a set of parentheses. Thank you.